will always be called Tatastha Shakti. Even if we go to the spiritual world, it's just a description of our ontological or our position. Well, we can say it's our description of the Jiva Shakti in the material world is called Tatastha. He's between the Maya Shakti and the spiritual Shakti, Chit Shakti. But when the Jiva gets liberated, then there's no more influence of the Maya Shakti. He's completely he's in the Chit Dham, completely in the region of Chit Shakti. He doesn't become Chit Shakti, but he's no longer influenced or has any contact with Maya Shakti, Tamagun, Rajagun, Sattvagun, or any influence of Maya. Once going to the spiritual world, they never come back again, they never get bewildered, you never get attracted. There's not a very minute, as some acharyas may write or say, there's still a minute chance that the liberated soul will come back. Because of that minute freedom, he can become envious of Krishna, or desirous to imitate Krishna, or enjoy Radharani or Krishna. And then he'll have to fall again from the spiritual world. This is nowhere in Gita or Bhagavatam or any Goswami Granths. Only Krishna is telling 4 or 5 times in Gita, once you go to the spiritual world, there's no return. It's a one-way ticket.